This is the fourth and final day of the motorcycle tour. We are gonna go back east towards Da Nang, and I think we're gonna do a couple stops to see some things, and then we're gonna hit the High Van Pass, which if you're on a motorcycle, people say you have to hit the High Van Pass. So gonna record that and whatever other stops we make at historical sites or whatever, I'll be recording that as well. The main village of minority, one of?
Yeah. I love water buffaloes. They are so cool.
One of the main villages of the minority people. Look at this bridge. That is cool. It's a very narrow bridge. I just saw somebody ride their motorbike over it, and it shakes. Yes, it shakes. I'm not entirely sure why we're walking this way. We're gonna.
This is the main of the community house.
Oh, it's a community house.
That's everyone when the famous day of the Vietnam, or the party of Vietnam, or the Great Steel, everybody must be new here.
Oh, okay.
Must come to here.
Recording it. Okay, he just told us that the reason why they put the community house on stilts is because there's tigers here. And I kind of should have already known that since we're in the jungle, but I haven't seen any, and I haven't heard of anybody talking about tigers, so there's tigers here. Nice. But as you can see, there's still dogs here, so the tigers aren't around here. There's still chickens. There's the motorbike going across the bridge. You said this is tea?
Yeah. Green tea.
Green tea.
Yeah.
All this stuff.
On the farm of the green tea. When the people they want to make the green tea, they cut the left, the top less, and after that they make it dry. All the
only the top leaves.
Yeah, look like the young.
Yeah,
Young leaves.
The young leaves.
and they make them dry small fat, and after that they put inside their black tea bag. They sell everywhere, someone they need.
And that makes the green tea. This is the temple lady that we're gonna check out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Those are bees up there. Oh, that's a bunch of bees. I don't know. Let me see if you got that. All right, you see that on the arm? All bees. Lots of bees. Pretty cool. Look at that. We're gonna go this way. Let's go in here. Do some exploring. Oh man, this is nice in here. It's a big drum. And this is a big bell. Really nice. The temple lady. This has got to be the nicest temple I've been in anywhere in Asia. I'm not sure what the significance of those fellas are. Fishies. Not sure what that is inside. Look at these chairs. Then you got this view. All right, I'm gonna snap a couple pictures, but I think that's gonna wrap up the video. I think I videoed most of it. Oh, you got these little dragon handrails. Well, probably wouldn't call them handrails, but they're dragons. All right, we made a stop to drink some sugarcane drink.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what this is about. This is a sugarcane drink. It's really sweet. All right, next on the list, we're doing the High Van Pass. And from what I heard, let's get a look at this little village. From what I heard, if you're on a motorcycle, you have to do the High Van Pass in Vietnam. So that's what we're about to go do. We stopped on top of the High Van Pass. You got lots of little shops here where you can stop, get some beer, coconut water, and then you got this thing on top. Oh, there's more steps.
Ik heb nog nooit zoveel boten gezien. Nou, dat is giga. De Halong Bay? Ja.
Ja, dat gaan wij nog heen.
I would like to know how old this is. Maybe this is from back in the, looks like a pillbox. Maybe from back during the war. Maybe they built this. Well, here's kind of, yeah, this is, I guess this might be the view they're talking about. Right there. And that's about it. There's another pillbox. And that's Da Nang over there in the distance. All right, we stopped here for lunch in this little cafe right here. And this is going to be the last stop on our motorcycle trip. After lunch, we will get dropped off at the Ram Casa hostel, which is going to be shipping containers. So that'll be interesting. I saw it, it looked pretty cool. And it looks good. A little bit of vegetables. This is Dragon Bridge. It's got a big dragon on it.